Summer's coming to an end, fall's here, but we're so blessed here in Southern California to still have like beautiful, beautiful evenings out on the patio and just awesome, awesome, awesome weather right at this type of year. So I'm home alone, I'm hungry, it's dinner time, so I'm thinking beer brats. Super simple recipe. We're gonna do it outside on the Blackstone 22-inch flat top griddle, and we're gonna be using the Grill Grates accessory on one side of the Blackstone to give those perfect sear marks on our brats. We're gonna do little peppers, onions, beer, brats, nice hoagie roll. I don't wanna talk it up too much. We're gonna just jump right into the recipe. It's going to be easy, simple, epic, and awesome. So ready? It's beer brat time. Okay, so for your shopping list, you're gonna need some brats, obviously. You're going to need beer, butter, and onion, one red, green, orange, something bell pepper. Thankfully, Babe was nice enough to pre-chop this for me so I don't have to do the bell pepper. Salt, pepper, and some nice hoagie rolls. And that's everything you're gonna need for your shopping list. Okay, so I'm gonna start by chopping my onion, but I need half this onion to season my brand new Grill Grates, which I'm gonna show you guys outside. So I'm gonna save half of this because I'm gonna rub this on my grates when they get up to temperature. It's a super secret trick to seasoning Grill Grates. And the rest, I'm just gonna chop up here. Now Babe was nice enough to leave me, since I'm home alone, she already chopped up some peppers, which is great. And I'll just leave those big size and leave it like that. We'll have some big, some small, you know that they're gonna reduce down in the beer and stuff like that. So just for me tonight, for my dinner, and then a little bit left over tomorrow, I got my half onion, I got my peppers, and now I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay, now check this out. This is a little trick. And I've done this before on the Weber, I've done it on the Blackstone. Okay, the secret trick is you use this little metal disposable tin, you put your onions and your peppers in, and then you just want to get some knobs of butter in there also. And get that in there. And it's all gonna be self-contained, and we're just gonna set it on the Blackstone. You could set it in an oven, I guess. I mean, super easy. So that should be enough butter for my little bit of onions and peppers right here. So let's go outside to the Blackstone and I'll show you guys what's up next. Before I forget, let's put in some salt and some pepper. Okay, beautiful evening outside, but I want to show you guys what I'm set on. Right here, I got this one on high, okay? Because I'm gonna put my grill grate right there. That's gonna be my sear zone. Now this one is on low. And obviously there's gonna be some transfer over heat from the high side to the low side. So let's go ahead and put this on. Let's get that working. And we're gonna get all that beautiful before we add in our beer. Hey, you're messing up my filming, little guy. Okay, so you can see we have our half of onion here. And once I set this brand new grill grate on the Blackstone, right over here, then once it gets up to temp, I'm gonna season these top grills with it, with that onion, and it's gonna give it the perfect seasoning, and it's gonna be awesome because this is gonna get really hot. And after I work on the brats for a while, it's gonna make the most amazing grill marks on it. So this is coming along right here, and we just wanna saute these a little bit before the beer goes in. And I can already tell you guys, the smell, there's nothing better than this smell. It's crazy. Excuse the filming, I'm a one-man filming show today. But, oh hey, that did not work like I wanted it to. Maybe because my Blackstone is small. Oh, we'll turn it the other way. Now my Blackstone is small, it's only the 22-inch. So if you guys pick up Grill Grates, they're awesome product, but this one's a little bit big, like you saw it hung off the little edge. So I just moved it like this. This is still working. I got both the knobs set on medium, and it's almost time to add the beer and the brats inside that. Give that a little mix. Wow, that smells amazing. Now that our grill grate has come up to temp, just gonna start working it back and forth with the onion. Now this is a brand new grill grate, so just gonna work it. Get a little bit of seasoning on there. Grill grates are all seasoned, and this is about after 8 minutes. You can see they're coming along. Smells fantastic. Super simple and easy recipe. Okay, so here comes the fun part. This needs to come off now, very carefully. Now this is where the fun of the Blackstone and the grill grates come in. So first we want to toast up our rolls. So we'll do that. Our rolls are toasting. Our grill grates are seasoned. So now, just want to get our brats on there and get those beautiful char marks on there. Perfect. Now you got those onions and those peppers. We're gonna finish them off. Okay, we're back inside, finished product. Time to build. I personally like a little Dijon mayo. Not mayo. There's no such thing as Dijon mayo. I like a little Dijon mustard. Just a little bit. You can hear how warm and toasty the bread is. All right, our next move. Grab our thing. Get our brat. And we want to load it up. I love it loaded up. That's my favorite. That's where I'm at with this. Something like that. Just serious business. All right, there's nothing left to do but grub. And let me tell you, I am friggin' pumped. Simple and easy. Home alone. End of summer. I don't even know what side to bite from. Oh. Wow. So good. I'll tell you what. When you simmer the peppers and the onions, and the brats and everything, in the beer and the butter, salt and pepper first, it just soaks them all up. You finish them on their cast iron on your Blackstone with the grill grates. Super fun, super awesome. Not only did the grill grates give it awesome char marks on there, but the Blackstone finished up those onions and peppers perfectly. Just the flavor is just, it's so good. It's just so good. And the brat, super juicy. That's what I needed in the summer night. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to our channel sponsors. We're going to put their name on the screen right now. We appreciate you more than you know. You guys make this whole thing possible, our little fun on YouTube. So we really, really appreciate you. Till the next time, Babe will be back. It'll be more fun and entertaining, something wild. I don't know what we're going to make. But yeah, all right. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.